Hey, what's up folks? Troy here, and in this video, I'm going to be doing a simple commissions Mailbot review, pretty much a brief update, and I'm going to share with you three takeaways, three things that should make you think if this is something that you want to invest in and take advantage of. So, give me your full undivided attention. I'm going to make this video short. And if what I share with you makes sense, you get some value from it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I actually do reply to comments, and I welcome that. The screen that you're looking at right now, I get people that ask me, does this really work? Can you make money with it? And this payment came in at 11 o'clock this evening. You can see the date where the arrow is for $100. This came in directly through my Stripe account. You could set up your payment processors multiple different ways, really however it is that you want. Income disclaimer, there are no guarantees of earnings. Your earnings are based on your own personal efforts. But I will say, with this brand new system that I've actively been promoting probably for about 2 weeks now, could be even a little bit more than 2 weeks. I've made multiple profits from it. Honestly, I think I'm right at about 10 personal signups. So it is working. Now I'm going to talk about the three takeaways. All right, so please pay very close attention to what it is that I'm getting ready to cover with you. If you are starting out brand new, you're looking for ways to make money online, this system will pay you $100 unlimited on a consistent basis, obviously as long as you're willing to put in a little bit of work. And this is ideal if you already have been involved in the industry for a while. Maybe you're like a lot of people, you join 5 different deals, 10 different deals a year, don't make money really in any of them, and you look for the next best thing. This is for people that want to make programs that they're already involved in work, in addition to getting able to get paid $100 over and over again. There's no learning curve. This is highly intuitive and literally takes about 8 to 10 minutes to completely set up. So that's the first thing, no learning curve. Second takeaway, this is a great front end product. It's AI automation. Not only does it promote itself, but it also allows you to promote up to 3 different business opportunities of your choice, as it's instructed to send emails out to those offers to your leads, right? So on the front end, you have a system that can pay you $100 over and over again. On the back end, it promotes your 3 biz ops. Why is that important? It's important because, and I stress this so many times in these videos, I see people in health and wellness, insurance, energy deregulation, other forms of health and wellness, credit restoration. Look, the people that you're promoting to on social media, 90% of them already have a business. The last thing they want is another business. Mailbot offers a solution to a problem that most people have, which is effective email marketing. Do you realize that on average, if you're decent at email marketing, about 30 to 40% of your emails end up going into people's junk and spam folders? That means that's 30 to 40% less of a chance that you could earn money on that. And if you're like me, I hope you're not like me, where, I spent probably right around $700 on learning effective email marketing which took me a few months to really get. Most people don't want to do that, and I don't have to spend 15 or 20 minutes creating the perfect email to send it out. The system is intuitive, it does it for me, so I don't have the learning curve headache as I did, when I first started this journey. So this AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers, automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts, all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. When you get access to this page, you're going to watch this 3-minute video explaining more about Mailbot. And if you want to get your own personalized demo, all you need to do is go to the description under this video. You'll get quick instructions on how to test this system out. And if it seems, exactly what it is that you're looking for, then by all means, take advantage of the offer. When I first saw this, and I went to my sponsor's Mailbot, I tried to trip this thing up, and I asked it a few questions, obviously within reason to my interest. For me, 100% of those emails ended up in my inbox, right? That is extremely rare because normally, as I mentioned, about 30% of those emails are going to hit people's junk folder. So I was sold after I saw that. Look, thanks so much for watching this video. Drop a comment if you have any. Make sure that you like. Make sure that you subscribe. Once again, I'm Troy. Go to the description. I look forward to working with many of you. Have an amazing day. Take care.